guys, welcome back to our channel. I just got home from picking up our Walmart grocery order for the week. All of this was $102.62. I had 0 out of stock items and I had 5 substitutions. I will kind of go over those. I denied or declined one of the substitutions and they gave it to me anyways. They said they couldn't find it in one of the bags so I could just keep it. But anyways, I'll kind of go over everything as we go and tell you what items I got for what specific recipes I have planned this week. So this is a smaller order since I just went to Costco and I got a ton of produce there and stuff like that and snacks for the kids. So this is kind of like a smaller grocery order. I usually have a budget for my Walmart orders at about $150 a week. And like I said, this was $102.62. So it came in way under budget and we have all of our meals planned for the week. So I needed some more paper plates. We've been doing these a lot for the kids for lunch. So I grabbed more of those. Annie's mac and cheese. You guys know that this is Jackson and Aniston's favorite. Some more pancake mix. Cohen's absolute favorite cereal is Raisin Bran Crunch. And someone suggested like months ago that we try the Great Value brand because they said it's just like Raisin Bran Crunch. And we tried it and it is, and he loves it. So we stick to that from now on. More of the chocolate dipped granola bars. I got an 18 pack of eggs for us, and then my parents needed some more eggs, so I grabbed a 12 pack for them. We really like the Crystal Light, the individual ones that you can put in bottles of water. So I'm a huge green tea fan, so I tried this peach mango green tea one. I've never had this one before, so I'm excited to try that. Some more of the Brown and Serve sausage. One of the substitutions was the coffee creamer. I ordered Chris a bottle of the Snickers, I believe it was, coffee creamer, and they did not have it, so they substituted it for the cafe mocha. I went ahead in 2 bottles because these are smaller than the bottle of Snickers that I ordered. So I went ahead and kept these because he likes chocolate kind of creamers, so I went ahead and kept those. This is the item I did not want and told them that I didn't need it, but they couldn't find it in the bag, so they told me to just go ahead and keep it, and then they didn't charge me for it. I wanted the Extreme Wellness Tomato-Basil wraps because one of those is 50 calories and 1 gram of fat and like 4 or 5 carbs, and as you can see, these are a lot more fattening. So I was thinking Chris and myself probably won't eat these. I'm sure they're delicious, but I could make the kids some pinwheels for lunch out of these, which they love pinwheels, so I'll feed them to the kids. I got the Texas Toast, the thick sliced bread. You guys can see how much, like how thick it is compared to a regular slice of bread. This is what I like to use to make French toast. And we're gonna do breakfast for dinner one of these nights with like bacon and eggs and French toast. So I thought I would kind of maybe do a video if you guys are interested in seeing it. I had a couple people ask, I think it might have been on TikTok, how, or maybe it was on YouTube, I'm not sure, but how I prepare my French toast, because I will cook the entire loaf at once and then I freeze it and we take it out and use it as we need it, which comes in really handy when the kids are back in school for like super quick breakfasts before school. So if you guys are interested in a video on how I do that, just leave a comment down below and let me know. I got a 2 liter of Diet Dr. Pepper. I need some of this for a recipe I'm making tomorrow. We're gonna do pulled pork sandwiches in the crock pot. My brother leaves early on Tuesday morning, so it's gonna be like our last family dinner before he goes home. So I'm gonna make a special dinner for everyone, and they all love the barbecue pulled pork. So it's a super easy recipe. I've shared it on TikTok before. If I remember, I will try to come on here and share that with you guys as well. But that's what I needed this for. I only needed a can of it, and I figured I would just order a 2 liter and then we could drink what was left. I like to get my hangers from Walmart. This was under $2. I think it was like $1.98 for 18 of them. And I keep at least 10 of them in the laundry room at all times. That way, as soon as clothes come out of the dryer, I can go ahead and just hang them up and they don't get all wrinkled. Some more of the sea salt ice cream. Here's the roast I got for tomorrow. They actually gave me a good size one. I wanted a 3 to 4 pound roast is what I needed, and they gave me just under a 3.5 pound roast, so that's perfect. Some tomatoes. This is for a very special recipe I was going to make tomorrow to go with it, the roast, my grandma's famous broccoli salad recipe. It is a recipe that's been in my family for years and years and years, and it's amazing. I make it for any time we go to a barbecue, a gathering, anything like that. It's like the perfect summer dish. And all of my friends asked for the recipe and I've shared it with them. So I thought if it was something you guys were interested in, maybe when I go ahead and make it tomorrow morning, I would do a video on it so you guys could try out her broccoli salad recipe. It has seriously been a family favorite for as long as I can remember, and it's amazing, so good. The broccoli is also, or the bacon is also for the broccoli salad. I actually ordered 2 pounds, like 2 1-pound packages and they didn't have it, so they gave me this 24-ounce package. I need a whole pound of bacon for the broccoli salad, and then the other bacon was going to be for when we do breakfast for dinner. Some mushrooms for a recipe I'm doing this week, a couple avocados, so I can do avocado toast. I also got more of the amaretto coffee creamer. You guys don't mind, I have paint all over my arms. I decided last minute to paint Aniston's room today. So yeah, don't mind the paint. So more coffee creamer. I got coconut flakes. This is for the Skinny Taste coconut shrimp recipe that is amazing, and we're gonna have that later this week. The French fries are to go with the pulled pork sandwiches. Jackson and Aniston love the broccoli salad recipe. Cohen, you guys probably already can figure this out, but not so much. So I thought I'd make some fries to go with it as well. Some cheese for the kids. The whipped dressing, or like the knockoff Miracle Whip, is for the broccoli salad as well. So is the green onions and the cheddar cheese. I got more of these little cookies for the kids. They really like both of them, and they're the perfect little size. The broccoli for the broccoli salad. Milk, my parents just needed a half a gallon of milk, so all they needed this week was the eggs and the milk. And then I ordered the Great Value brand little individual cups of plain non-fat Greek yogurt, and they were out of it, so they gave me the Chobani, which is fine. It's really good too, so I got those. Some sweet Hawaiian hamburger buns for the pulled pork sandwiches, and then I got a box of brownie mix that I can make for dessert tomorrow. I've got a lot going on, like I said, with deciding last minute to paint Aniston's room, which, by the way, I am kind of filming a little room transformation for you guys that I will post when I'm done painting on our channel. But I just decided I didn't have time to make like an actual homemade dessert for tomorrow, since I'm doing the salad and the pulled pork sandwiches and everything. So we're just gonna go quick and easy, and you cannot beat a box of fudge brownies. These are our favorites. So I grabbed those, and then I got 2 pounds of shrimp for the coconut shrimp we're going to do this week. I always double the recipe because shrimp is one of Aniston and Jackson's favorites, so it all gets eaten in one night. So I always double that recipe. So that is what I got for the week. I probably will not need to get any more produce or anything. We still have a ton of fruit from Costco. We have a big thing of salad mix. So I only needed a couple things for meals. Everything else I already had on hand. So I was able to come in well under budget this week when it came to groceries. So this is everything we got, and I hope you guys all had a great weekend, and I hope you have a fantastic week and you're staying safe and healthy and all that good stuff. And let me know down below in the comments if you guys would like me to do a video on my grandma's broccoli salad recipe. So if you guys do, I will try to film that tomorrow morning when I make it. So hope everybody had a great weekend. Bye.